Hello, it's me, Osaka from Marijuana Garden.
Based on the image content you provided, the claim that this drug could extend human lifespan up to 250 years is almost certainly false and honestly, highly misleading. Extending human lifespan to 250 years is far beyond anything credible science suggests is currently possible, or even on the near horizon. The maximum verified human lifespan is 122 years. The post lacks critical details. What drug? No name or mechanism is mentioned. What research? No study title, journal, or authors are cited. Evidence? No data is provided. Accounts using names like Elixir of Science often sensationalize or misrepresent science for clicks and engagement. This name itself evokes pseudoscience and immortality myths. Viral posts with sensational health claims are frequently inaccurate. And engagement does not equal truth. While Osaka University does conduct legitimate aging research, no credible researcher or institution is claiming a 250-year lifespan drug. The post hijacks the university's reputation to lend false credibility. The primary goal of modern longevity research is extending health span, that's the number of years lived in good health, free from chronic age-related diseases, not just extending total lifespan to extreme ages. So research in longevity often aims for, incremental increases in both lifespan and health span. These advances are usually first demonstrated in model organisms like mice, worms, or flies. And honestly, success in this field might mean extending healthy human life by, say, 5, 10, or maybe 20 years. Not, living to 150 or more. Senolytics are drugs that target and clear out these so-called zombie cells, which tend to accumulate as we age and can cause inflammation. They've been shown to improve health span in mice and, well, human trials are actually ongoing right now. Rapamycin and other mTOR inhibitors have been shown to extend lifespan in multiple species. They're currently being studied for age-related conditions in humans, though, figuring out the right dose and managing side effects are still pretty big concerns. Metformin is a diabetes drug that, interestingly, has shown potential longevity benefits and is currently being investigated in large trials like TAME, which stands for Targeting Aging with Metformin. NAD+ boosters, well, they aim to replenish a crucial coenzyme that declines with age. Early human data is, honestly, pretty mixed, and large-scale efficacy just hasn't been proven yet. Caloric restriction mimetics are drugs that try to replicate the well-documented, lifespan-extending effects of severe caloric restriction. Aging is, incredibly complex. A single drug achieving a 250-year lifespan is really just science fiction with our current understanding. This social media post is classic misinformation, or maybe sensationalism. It takes a kernel of truth and wildly exaggerates it into an impossible claim to generate clicks, shares, and engagement. There is no credible scientific basis for the claim presented in the image, so treat this post with extreme skepticism. If you're interested in real longevity science, look for information from reputable sources like major research institutions, peer-reviewed journals, and science journalists known for rigorous reporting. And definitely, avoid sources using overly dramatic language or making extraordinary claims without extraordinary evidence.
Thank you.